Discover Greensboro's best-kept secret in apartment living. Call Cedar Trace Apartments your new home in Greensboro, North Carolina. Cedar Trace is a quiet, well-kept community offering great apartment homes at an unparalleled value. We offer easy highway access to I-40, I-85, and Highway 220, and less than a mile away from Four Seasons Mall and the Greensboro Coliseum. We're also only minutes away from local universities as well as downtown Greensboro, with countless options for entertainment. We offer a variety of open floor plans. Our 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes feature gourmet kitchens, designer floors, and breezy ceiling fans. Many of our homes also include washer and dryer connections. For your convenience, we also offer on-site laundry. Take a refreshing dip in our brand new swimming pool. For a fun night in, take advantage of our DVD library, or for days when you need to get work done, enjoy the convenience of our brand new business center. Here at Cedar Trace, there's no need to join a gym. Our state-of-the-art fitness center is open 24 hours to accommodate your busy lifestyle. Your furry friend will also love calling Cedar Trace home. We're pet-friendly with certain breed restrictions. At Cedar Trace, our professional on-site management team is committed to providing you with an exceptional living experience. Call today to set up a personal tour and let us help you find your new home. Call today and start to call Cedar Trace Apartment Community home.